Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate data analysis with Tableau step by step clearly. Begin by opening Tableau and connecting to your data source. Choose the appropriate data type, whether it's a file or a database. Once connected, explore your data in the Data Source tab. Preview your data to ensure everything is correctly imported. Drag and drop to create your first visualization using the Show Me panel. Select dimensions and measures that reflect the insights you want to analyze. Adjust the chart type based on how you want to visualize your data. Use filters to narrow down your data to specific categories or timeframes. Create calculated fields if you need to derive new metrics from existing data. Utilize parameters to add interactivity and allow users to customize their experience. Once satisfied with your visualizations, arrange them on a dashboard. Combine multiple views to tell a comprehensive story with your data. Add interactivity to filters and actions so users can delve deeper into the information. Utilize Tableau's built-in analytics features like trend lines and forecasts for deeper insights. Schedule data refreshes to ensure your analysis remains up to date. Save your dashboard to Tableau Server or Tableau Online for sharing. Regularly review and refine your dashboards based on user feedback and evolving data needs. Keep enhancing your skills to leverage more advanced features as you become proficient in Tableau. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment in. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.